Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to bring back to life an old broken drive shaft using a paper clip. And we're gonna, first step is to disassemble the whole thing, unscrew all the screws. Actually there's just 2 screws. And yeah, get started. As you can see here, in this case, the drive shaft is broken by losing the whole stuff in this area, which held the head of the drive shaft in place. And to bring the back to life is the way is that to have a paper clip and then insert it from the holes over there, and then you can see, yeah, this is it. That's a basic thing that you're gonna do. And you should cross the paper clip through the hole with the big area like that, because it has movement up and down while running the vehicle. Alright guys, the drive shaft is ready and good to go, but before that you may need some oil or grease for this here, because it's kind of tough to turn this thing. Alright, this was a cheap mod, a free mod to bring back to life your old XCX10 drive shaft using just a paper clip. And yep, it just took like 5 minutes or even less than that to make this happen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you hadn't, and hit the notification bell to get updates whenever we upload a new video. See you guys later. Again, I got the drive shaft axle. Let's see what it does. The clip is not rubbing anything, and the differential is, there's no matter for that because everything's free. But in the transfer case or in the transfer case area, you must be careful so like it's not rubbing